everyone, my name is Dennis from Dedicated Office Solution. In this video, I will guide you how to take off the maintenance cartridge from IPF681. Most of the user, they just click on the reset. But every time you do the reset without cleaning this thing, the ink will getting full and the ink will flow out. For that time, problem be coming because the ink will flow up, it may affect your mainboard, which we're not going to see what happened on next. This thing is based on my own experience. Please try at your own risk. I will not responsible for any damage of your machine. The step to open this thing is quite easy. Just need two of your finger, here and here. Pop. It will pop out. Here and another side here. And clip here. Now you can see the sponge. It's dirty, right? Yeah. Okay, wash it. See you later. Let me wash it first. Alright, I will stay these things overnight and wait for it dry and install back to the machine by tomorrow. See you later. Okay.